Your credit report can make or break your loan approval. Here are 5 red flags lenders watch out for and how to avoid them. Red flag 1. Late payments. Even one missed payment can tank your score. Set auto-pay reminders and stay on top of due dates. Red flag 2. High credit utilization. Using over 30% of your credit limit signals risk. Pay down those balances to boost your score. Red flag 3. Collections or charge-offs. Old debt in collections? Settle it or dispute errors ASAP. They'll haunt your mortgage app. Red flag 4. Too many new accounts. Opening multiple accounts in a short time equals red flag. Space them out to look stable. Red flag 5. Incorrect info. Errors happen, and they cost you. Check your credit report regularly and dispute mistakes. Wrap up and CTA. Spot these red flags early, fix what you can, and watch your credit become mortgage ready. Need help getting mortgage ready? Call us at 866-515-2617 or visit warehomeconnect.com today.